Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kidney health with 12 fantastic bedtime beverages that can help you wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for your overall health, and it's something we should all be mindful of. Many people don't realize how important kidney health is until they experience problems. Our kidneys work tirelessly to filter waste products from our blood, regulate blood pressure, and even produce hormones that are essential for red blood cell production. It's a big job for such small organs. That's why we're going to explore a variety of delicious and easy-to-make drinks that can support your kidneys' natural detoxification processes, especially as you wind down for the night. These beverages are packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and essential nutrients that can help improve kidney function and prevent potential issues down the line. So, whether you're a tea enthusiast, a fan of warm milk, or simply looking for some healthy bedtime rituals, we've got you covered. Let's get started on this journey to better kidney health one sip at a time. Stay tuned. First up, we have the ever-popular chamomile tea. This soothing beverage has been enjoyed for centuries for its calming and relaxing properties, making it an ideal choice for a good night's sleep. But did you know that chamomile tea also offers some fantastic benefits for your kidneys? Chamomile is a natural diuretic, which means it can help flush out excess fluids and waste products from your body, including your kidneys. This gentle diuretic effect can be particularly helpful for individuals who experience mild fluid retention or those prone to urinary tract infections. Additionally, chamomile tea is packed with antioxidants that can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. These free radicals can damage cells and contribute to various health issues, so having a defense system in place is crucial. And let's not forget the calming effect of chamomile. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, chamomile tea indirectly supports kidney health, as chronic stress can put a strain on your kidneys over time. So a cup of chamomile tea before bed is not just a comforting ritual, but also a proactive step towards better kidney health. Next on our list is a zesty and invigorating beverage known for its potent medicinal properties, ginger tea. Ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. One of ginger's key components is gingerol, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Inflammation can strain kidney function, so incorporating ginger into your diet is beneficial. Ginger is a natural diuretic, aiding in flushing out toxins and promoting optimal kidney function. We're back with our series on kidney-healthy bedtime beverages. Tonight, we're talking about Dandelion Tea, a drink that's not only delicious but also packs a punch when it comes to supporting your kidneys. You know, we often think of dandelions as pesky weeds, but they've actually been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Dandelion tea in particular is made from the plant's roots and leaves, which are loaded with vitamins and minerals that can help flush out toxins and support kidney function. One of the key benefits of dandelion tea is its diuretic effect. This means it helps your body get rid of excess water and sodium, which can be really beneficial for people with kidney problems. It's like giving your kidneys a gentle flush, helping them work more efficiently. Plus, dandelion tea is a good source of antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from damage. This is important for overall health, including kidney health, as it helps prevent oxidative stress that can harm these vital organs. So how do you make this magical elixir? Let's find out. And we're continuing our journey through kidney-healthy bedtime beverages. Now, let's talk about a drink that's as comforting as it is beneficial. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. Turmeric, the star ingredient in this golden elixir, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly in Ayurvedic practices. It's known for its vibrant yellow color and its potent anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a compound called curcumin. When it comes to kidney health, turmeric can be a real game changer. Its anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which is crucial for maintaining their function. Chronic inflammation can take a toll on these vital organs, so incorporating anti-inflammatory foods and drinks like turmeric milk can be incredibly beneficial. Moreover, turmeric acts as an antioxidant, protecting your kidneys from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to various health problems, including kidney disease. So, incorporating turmeric into your diet can provide an extra layer of protection for these essential organs. We're back with another installment of our kidney-healthy bedtime beverages series. This time, we're diving into the vibrant world of hibiscus tea, a tangy and refreshing drink that's as pleasing to the eye as it is beneficial for your kidneys. Hibiscus tea, often recognized by its vibrant ruby-red color, is derived from the calices of the hibiscus plant. These calices are the protective coverings of the flower buds, and they're packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that offer a plethora of health benefits. One of the remarkable benefits of hibiscus tea for kidney health lies in its ability to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure can put a strain on your kidneys, potentially leading to damage over time. Hibiscus tea has been traditionally used to help regulate blood pressure, making it a valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Furthermore, hibiscus tea exhibits diuretic properties similar to dandelion tea. This means it can help flush out excess fluids and sodium from your body, reducing the workload on your kidneys and promoting optimal kidney function. It's like giving your kidneys a gentle cleanse, helping them work more efficiently. Next on our list of kidney-healthy bedtime beverages, Nettle Tea. Yes, nettle can sting, but once dried or brewed, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, nettle supports kidney health. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping flush out excess fluids and waste. Think of it as a gentle cleanse for your kidneys before bed. Always consult your doctor before adding new herbal teas to your diet. Stay tuned for more kidney-friendly drinks. Next up on our journey to healthier kidneys is a drink that's probably already a staple in your fridge. Good old lemon water. That's right, this simple and refreshing beverage isn't just a great way to kickstart your morning, it might also be beneficial for your kidneys, especially when enjoyed before bed. Lemons are a natural source of citric acid, which has been shown to help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are essentially hard deposits of minerals and salts that can form in your kidneys, and trust me, they're not something you want to experience. Now, lemon water alone won't magically dissolve existing kidney stones. If you're dealing with kidney stones, it's crucial to consult with your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. However, incorporating lemon water into your routine can be a great preventative measure and a tasty way to support your kidney health overall. Plus, let's not forget about the added bonus of hydration. Drinking enough water is essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your kidneys functioning properly. Adding lemon to your water not only enhances the flavor, but might also encourage you to drink more throughout the day and evening. Section 2. Easy squeezy. Let's talk about a bedtime beverage that's both delicious and potentially beneficial for your kidneys: peppermint tea. This aromatic and refreshing herbal tea has been enjoyed for centuries for its soothing properties, but it might also offer some hidden benefits for your kidneys. Peppermint contains natural compounds like menthol and rosmarinic acid, which are believed to have anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects. These properties could potentially help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and promote healthy urine flow. Remember, while peppermint tea is generally safe for consumption, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before adding it to your diet, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications. They can give you personalized advice based on your individual health needs. So if you're looking for a soothing and flavorful way to wind down before bed, consider adding a cup of peppermint tea to your nightly routine. It might just give your kidneys a little extra love as you drift off to sleep. Section 2. Steeping into relaxation. Alright, moving on to number 9 on our list of kidney-friendly bedtime beverages, we have cranberry juice. Now I know what you might be thinking, cranberry juice, but isn't that for UTIs? And you're right. Cranberry juice is well known for its ability to help prevent those pesky urinary tract infections. But here's the thing, cranberry juice can also be beneficial for kidney health. It contains compounds that can help flush out bacteria and other toxins from your urinary tract, including your kidneys. Think of it like giving your kidneys a nice internal cleanse before you hit the hay. Now, I know some people find the taste of pure cranberry juice a bit too tart. If you're one of those people, no worries. You can easily dilute it with water to make it more palatable. Just mix equal parts cranberry juice and water and you're good to go. Remember, Taking care of your kidneys is crucial for overall health, and incorporating cranberry juice into your nightly routine can be a simple yet effective way to show your kidneys some love. Let's move on to number 10 on our list, aloe vera juice. You've probably heard of aloe vera gel being used for soothing sunburns and other skin irritations, but did you know that aloe vera juice can also be beneficial for your kidneys? Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its medicinal properties. It contains various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help support overall health, including kidney function. Aloe vera juice in particular is believed to have diuretic properties, meaning it can help flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body, including the kidneys. Now, it's important to note that aloe vera juice can have a slightly bitter taste that some people may not find appealing. If you're one of those people, don't worry. You can easily dilute it with water or mix it with other juices to improve the taste. Just remember to start with a small amount of aloe vera juice and gradually increase your intake as tolerated. It's always a good idea to listen to your body and consult with your doctor if you have any concerns. We're on to our 11th bedtime beverage for happy kidneys, and it's a classic, golden milk. This drink isn't just trendy, it's been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, and for good reason. The star ingredient here is turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Why is that important for your kidneys? Well, inflammation can really do a number on those bean-shaped organs. Chronic inflammation can lead to kidney damage over time, and that's something we want to avoid. Curcumin swoops in to help combat that inflammation, potentially protecting your kidneys from harm. But wait, there's more. Golden milk also typically includes ginger, another anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Ginger can help increase blood flow, which is essential for healthy kidney function. It's like giving your kidneys a gentle, soothing massage from the inside out. So incorporating golden milk into your nightly routine is like giving your kidneys a warm hug before bed. Remember, we're talking about long-term kidney health here, and this drink is a delicious way to show your kidneys some love. For our final bedtime beverage, we're diving into the world of Fenugreek tea. This might be a new one for some of you, but trust me, it's worth adding to your repertoire. Fenugreek is a herb that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and its seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. One of the ways fenugreek helps your kidneys is by acting as a diuretic. Now, before you think diuretic, that means more bathroom trips. Hear me out. Fenugreek promotes healthy urination, which helps flush out toxins and excess fluids from your body, including your kidneys. But that's not all. Fenugreek also has been shown to help lower creatinine levels. Creatinine is a waste product that your kidneys filter out, and high levels can indicate kidney problems. So, by potentially helping to regulate creatinine levels, fenugreek could be a valuable ally in supporting kidney function. And let's not forget about those pesky kidney stones. Some studies suggest that fenugreek may help prevent the formation of certain types of kidney stones. Now, more research is always being done, but the initial findings are promising. That wraps up our journey through 12 amazing bedtime beverages for kidney health. We've covered a lot of ground, from soothing chamomile tea to the powerful punch of fenugreek, and I hope you're feeling empowered to take control of your kidney health. Remember, incorporating these drinks is a fantastic step, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and veggies, and getting regular exercise. And of course, always consult with your doctor if you have any concerns about your kidney health. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't have to be complicated. Small changes to your routine, like adding one of these bedtime beverages, can make a world of difference in the long run. So go ahead, treat yourself to a warm, soothing drink before bed and give those kidneys the love they deserve. Please leave a comment, share your experience with us if you have tried these beverages.